try not to laugh with water. Do y'all think I can survive this? No! Before we get into this, if you guys would like a shout out like this guy, make sure to leave a comment, but make sure to also hit that like button to wish me luck throughout this entire video, because honestly I'm going to need it. With that being said, we will get straight into this. Enjoy. Boy!
So I grew up in what are you drinking?
Dear basketball. From the moment I started rolling my dad's tube sock. Every part of the universe is the same.
Boy!
iPhone 16, you know? Bomba class!
That's that shit. I ain't even gonna get mad. I'm young, black and rich.
What's up, bro? I'm on the lakeside.
What are you doing?
Why you always doing that?
That one got me. I'll admit it. That one got me. I'll admit it. I think I also know what time it is. You haven't subscribed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Thank you. Second try.
I'm actually cold, bro. My young nigga hot.
Previous matches back in the 90s, what a sensational performance.
Look at him,
T'as quoi sur le pied, maman? En dessous le pied? En dessous de ta tombe?
Take this! Rasengan!
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket. Nice. Oh, shit.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
What the heck? Oh, I can't be doing this. I can't be doing this, bro. The video just started. Oh my god. Alright, last one, I promise. I'll lock in for y'all. If I laugh, oh y'all can unsubscribe right now. I'm playing. Listen. I'ma lock in. Get out! Boy!
Dice que el día en serio quiere detenerme hoy. ¡Qué lástima!
Quantos copos aí? Olha, 4 amigos. Quanto você pagou, mano? Chuta.
Dear basketball. From the moment I started rolling my dad's tube socks.
Ai, ai, como um tomate com sal, né?
Dear basketball. From the moment I started rolling my dad's tube socks.
Boy! Bruh. That just had to cook me. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Boy! If y'all enjoyed that, make sure to go down and hit that like and subscribe button. Also, if you leave a comment, you have a chance at getting shout-outs. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. And like always, stay blessed, manifest y'all dreams. 2XJJ out.